Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn on news notifications on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the app, then next click on the profile section on the top right corner, then next you're going to click on settings, then once you're here you're going to click on push notifications. So under news, as you can see, all of them are turned off, so you're going to turn them on. So from now on you're going to receive notifications about breaking news, watchlist news, as well as today's topic. You guys could also see the new coin listing on exchange by clicking on manage. So as you can see, all of them are turned on. So that's the basis of this setting. It's a helpful one. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.